Hari Om, it's Daily Gita, Song Divine, day 357, chapter 18, Liberation. This is like the denouement, the big apex, the almost the end of the Gita, and we're just hanging on, wondering what is Arjuna going to do. All of this knowledge that he's learned from Krishna so far, and he hasn't given an answer yet. He still doesn't know what he's going to do. He's thinking about it, but Krishna's like giving him these last boosts. So here, Krishna says, take refuge in him with all your soul. By his grace will you gain supreme peace. Thus has profound wisdom been declared to you, my dear friend, by me. Take refuge in him with all your soul. The best thing that we can do is to give up selfishness and stop struggling to do everything all by ourselves. Know that God is here for us and embrace this. The way to peace is by knowing God and knowing who we are. By his grace will you gain supreme peace. Supreme peace. That's what we all want, right? That peace of mind, that calm, that bliss, it's divine. And here he says, okay, I think I've said all there is to say. My dear friend, he reminds Arjuna, you're my friends. And that's what I told you. Come back tomorrow. There's still more.